Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have an unboxing for you from Pink and Main, which is their Sunshine and Smiles kit for July. And then I have Tuesday morning haul, and if I have time I'll do my Lavinia haul for y'all. So let's start with the unboxing of the Pink and Main, which is the Sunshine and Smiles. And then I also have 2 cards to share. So you get 6 colored papers and then 2 white, and I've already used some because I made 2 cards. And then you always get 4 envelopes, and you always get a badge, and this one you got a rainbow, which is cute. And you always get a pouch, which I love because you can keep all of your kit inside of it. So I like that for storage. So let me pick that up. Now, I wasn't really happy with the 2 orange papers that came this month. I wish it would have been like a red and a purple. The 2 oranges just, I don't know, it wasn't my thing, my cup of tea, I guess you could say. And I'll point that out throughout the kit. So next, you got a 6x6 paper pad. Which is nice that you get a whole paper pad and you get 24 sheets. So you get 12 and you get doubles, and they are double-sided also, which is really nice. So let me share the papers with you. So you get this one, double-sided. I'll just share them all with you. And they're really nice, and they're nice and thick, so their quality is really good. And this is the last month that I'm getting. I decided I'm just gonna stick with my 1 card kit from the Stamps of Life. I did my 3 months, a little over 3 months with Pink and Main. So I fulfilled my term with them. And I really love the Stamps of Life. And I'm also a die-hard member with them, so I get the stamp and die plus the card kit. So those were all the papers. And next you got some sequins. And here again is that orange, which I'm not too thrilled about. And y'all guys know I love sequins, so I don't know. I'm still gonna use them. I think I'm gonna make a shaker out of them. And I'll share that with y'all when I do. And then we got some Enamel Dots, and there again is the 2 oranges. I just feel like it doesn't fit with sunshine and rainbows to me. And then you get 5 yards of ribbon, which is always nice. And then you got some thicker stickers. And next you got this awesome stencil. So it has 2 different clouds on this center. Then it has cloud edge die here, stencil here. Then on this side, you have a hill stencil. And then on this side, you have a grass stencil. I have never seen anybody offered this type of stencil before, and I think this was an awesome deal. An awesome use of a stencil. So, sorry, my cat wanted in. He was like, let me in. So I think that was really neat of them to do, to offer an all-in-one inclusive stencil like that. So that's really cool. I really like that. Okay, next is the stamp set, which is so cute. I love all the sentiments that it offers. So it says, we must endure the storm to enjoy the rainbow. You are the rainbow on my cloudy days. Brighter days are ahead, sending you sunshine and rainbows. Count the rainbows, not the storms. I am here for you always. Be happy. You are my sunshine. Have a happy day. You make me happy when skies are gray. And hello, sunshine. And my other cat was in. Sorry, guys. And then you make a rainbow out of the different lines there. And then it has clouds and the sun. It's a really cool die. I mean, why do I keep saying everything is a die? Stamp set, sorry. Okay, then you got this die. It's the Sunny Sky dies, which are nice. And this month you got 2 dies, which I've never seen them do that before, and you got the kite dies. So this was awesome. So I really like that. You got 2. So let me show you what I made so far. They're pretty simple cards. I did a slim line and I made this one. Just a simple card. And then, you know, I always do my mats on the inside. So there's that one. And there's this one here. I used some inks, but I didn't bring them. I used my Lawn Fawn inks. I used 4 different colors. I think it turned out really cute. And then I just matted it on the inside. But I thought it turned out cute. So that is the unboxing for the July kit. Now on to Tuesday morning. I have quite a bit of Tuesday morning. So I bought this wrapping paper here. I thought it was super cute. It's from Pineapple Source. And it's really, really adorable. Has gold foil. I have some things I need to wrap up to send off for Happy Mail, so I thought I would do something cute. Okay, so where to start? Okay, so I got some stuff on clearance, and this is just gonna be all mixed up. I didn't organize it. So I found the gift wrap book from Maggie Holmes in Willow Lane for 20% off. And I already own one, but I was like, hey, 20% off. I'm not gonna find it again, so might as well grab it because I can use this for wrapping up stuff for Happy Meal. So grabbed that. Then I had seen this before and then it disappeared, and then now I saw it again and I wanted it, so I snagged this up. You can put these on the front of cards and it would be so cute. I mean, because it says they're journaling cards, but of course that's not what I'm going to use it for. But look how cute they are. I really love the big one. Really cute. So that's really awesome. And then I have been eyeing this, and finally I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because I really love the color of the rings. And for $1.99 you can't beat it because you get these clips plus the rings. And it's by Heidi Swapp. So you get 14 pieces. Then I had been wanting this and I found it over in the clearance section. It wasn't on clearance, of course, but that's where I found it. So I was happy I finally found one. It's from the Heart Day collection. And of course you can make these yourselves, guys, but I wanted one. And I can always look at it and then copy it. Although I can't sew. So there's that. Next, I found this on clearance, the Chamel acrylic shapes, And I figured I could either paint them, Copic color them, or stain them, and they'd be really pretty. And they were $1.99 and then 20% off. So I really liked that. And next I found these on clearance, and I thought they'd be perfect for Happy Meal, and the price is pretty awesome. So grab those. Next I grabbed 2 of these, and these are going in Happy Meal. They already have a home. So I got 2 Tassel Looms by We Are Memory Keepers. I have one already, and I'm sending 2 of these off. One to Crafty Bean, my BFF, and then one to my bestie. So that's where those are going. Next I found this on clearance, and I didn't have this yet out of all the Snow and Cocoa I own, which is crazy, so I had to grab that. And next I found this Ephemera, which I own this collection, but I don't have this Ephemera. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Really cute. Go. Get down. Sorry, my cats are playing on the back of the bed. Okay. The next, this is so funny. So I picked this up because I wanted one, a ribbon cutter by We Are Memory Keepers. And then I walk over to the clearance area and they have a ribbon cutter for 20% off. So I go back and I put the one that's regular priced back, and I grab the one that's 20% off. There's nothing wrong with it. It was just the date that they had it. So I'm gonna save me $2 and get it $2 cheaper instead of paying full price. So guys, make sure you check that out. Check your clearance first to see if they have the same thing already marked down, because the only thing that's different is the date, and it's just this year. So I didn't get it, but hey, I saved $2. So I want to try this out. Let's see what else I found. Okay, and then I found this on clearance. These really cute, let's see if I can let you see them. Yeah, some enamel dots that are, some of them are glittery and then some of them are matte. I don't know if you can see that. I can see it. I don't know if y'all can. But I got some of these. And then I have never picked up these Flourish Flowers, and they had one left. So I went ahead and snagged it up, even though I thought that they were a little bit pricey. That's why I'd never grabbed it. But I was like, you know what, if I don't get it now, I'm never gonna get it. So grabbed it. Y'all know I have an obsession with Maggie. Okay, so next, I found these for $1.99 and then 20% off, and I figured I usually like to give Sequins and Happy Meal, so this would be a perfect thing to put them in. So I grabbed these. Then I found these on clearance because, well, they weren't exactly on clearance. They're missing some, so then I got them on clearance because somebody decided to steal 2. I do not understand people in stealing, but whatever. I got clearance because 2 are missing, and I love the bows, so I grabbed these. Really cute, by Recollections. And anytime I don't have to make the bow, and makes my life easier. Then I found this Maggie Holmes stamp set, and I didn't have this one yet. and they had this one marked down 20% off, so I went ahead and I grabbed this one. I thought the florals were beautiful. And this one's from Willow Lane. Okay. What else did I get on clearance? Oh, I found this Vicki Boot-In blending sponge for 20% off. And I am going to be using this when I use my Lavinia stamps. So I went ahead and I grabbed it. Anything else I got on clearance? Yes, I did. So I have the Holly Jolly 12 by 12, and I think maybe the 6 by 6, I'm not for sure. But I saw this on clearance, and so I grabbed it to go along with that. And I love the colors. So, yeah, grab that. And it's almost Christmas again. It'll be here before we know it, guys. Okay. I know I got some more stuff in here. Next, I found some bags. Some sacks or treat bags. So then I found these. I thought these would be perfect for friend mail. $1.99 and then 60% off. These are so cute. And you get 12. And then I found these Happy Birthday sacks by Recollections. And they are $1.49, and then you got 60% off these. At least I think it's 60%. I don't know if it's 40 or 60. I think it's 60. And then I found some more Snow and Cocoa bags, and you get 8, $1.99 and then 20% off. And these are the bags you get 2 of each of those. I think they're so pretty. Okay. And I think that's all of the clearance. So then I found some pillow gift boxes. I found a 12-piece, all white, which is nice. So that means I can decorate them any way I like. And they were only $1.49, which is an excellent price for 12. So grab those. Then I found these Amy Tangerine 6-piece die-cut chipboard shapes for $1.99. And they looked kind of like fall. Life is better with a smile. Well, some of them are. And the other one says, what does that say? Designed by me. And obsessed. And I like that they're thick. If y'all can see that, they're really thick. So that's nice. Okay. Then, moving on, I found these swing thickers, which are the ones by Carousel, for Carousel. I have one already, and I decided to get one more because that's my favorite collection by Maggie Holmes. So yeah, I grabbed one more since they had it. And next, I found one more of these Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, and We Are Memory Keepers bookbinding guides. And I got this to friend mail my BFF, Tina Bean, who is Crafty Bean here on YouTube. So I hope she loves it. Maybe we'll FaceTime and do one together since I have one too. Next, I found these pens and I had to have them. They are so stinking cute. Y'all see those? There's a sloth, a flamingo, a pineapple, and a palm leaf. And I love them. So they'll go with my mini pins that I own. Oh, I do have another clearance item that I have. I have this Pebbles Oh Summertime paper pad that I have, and some other things that I own by them. And these are little shaker stickers that go with it. So that was 20% off of $1.99. Really cute. Then I found the Sunny Days Maggie Holmes paper flowers, which I don't have yet. So I grabbed a pack of those. Very pretty. And then I found this Winter Wonderland foil rolls, the signature collection by Sarah. What is her last name? I can't read it. With Sarah's signature Winter Wonderland foil transfers. You get sparkling snowflake, ice blue, glistening silver, and winter blue. So I thought this would be fun on some projects. So I got those. Then I found this, which is a Heidi Swapp Flea Market pouch kit. You get 27 pieces. And it was $4.99. It looks like you get some washi tape, some little flare badges, some ephemera, a zipper pouch, and I'm not sure what else comes in there. That's what it shows. So I grabbed that. That looked cute. And it says pretty on the back. Make pretty. Make pretty stuff. So that's cute. Then I found these Heidi Swapp scissors. And I have been wanting these. They're small scissors, and I figured I could use them for fussy cutting. So they were $4.99, which I thought was a great deal, because on eBay I had found them for around $10. So I will try these out and see what I think of them. Next, I found this pouch. It says, I am wonderfully made, Psalms 139:14. And I'm going to use this for my paper that I use for Copic coloring. And I am going to use it to put my paper in that I already have cut down that I buy from scrapbook.com, my Nina paper. So I love it. I think it's really pretty. Next, I found this washi tape runner by We Are Memory Keepers. And it says that you can fit up to a 1 inch to 1.25 inch. It shows you how to load it on the back. And I'm wondering if you can fit regular washi in it. I don't know yet. I will let you guys know. But I also found some We Are Memory Keepers washi that they had for $1.99. I thought this was really cute. It says fierce, killing it, love, hey girl, and it has diamonds and it has hearts. I thought it was really cute. So I grabbed that. So I know that will fit. Okay, and then the next, I found some Mink Paper for $4.99. You get How much do you get in here? You get 24 pieces of 12 by 12 paper. And this is all the paper you get. So you get 2 of each. So I thought that was an amazing deal for $5. So pretty nice. And then all you gotta do is cut it down. So happy about that. Then I found this Vicki boot and paper. Let me show you. And it is gorgeous. It's very vibrant. I love all the color. I love the designs. And it repeats a couple times. And I love it. Am I gonna be able to do it? Yeah, no, I have a hard time with these things. Can't wait till I get my thing. But really pretty. Very pretty, very vibrant. So that was $6.99. Then I found the Heritage project pad. And I didn't open it. Of course I didn't. Okay guys, let's see if I can open it really quickly. I am so sorry. I thought I opened them. Thought I was ready. Okay, let's just do one side. All right. So you get some solids in the back. That's pretty. I love that page. And then you get some glitter, it looks like. A pattern. A glitter. Another glitter. Some more paper. Why can't I get it? It's stuck. Oh, I love that page too. And then you get some stickers. And more stickers. It's really nice. So there's that one. And unfortunately, guys, I didn't open any of them. And I don't have nails anymore ever since my surgery. You know what? I'll just show these papers in the next video. All right, guys? I thank you for watching. Love you guys. Okay, bye-bye.